Hello students. Now here this is your exercise 1.4. We have completed 1.3 in the last last video. Now this is your next exercise. Here we have to divide, means we have to divide the integers, right? Division on integers. So this is the first question here. Evaluate. Before going to the first question, let us understand some properties here. Properties means a simple just like this, that if you have any number, it is like 6 by 2, right? So you can just divide it and you can say me that its answer is 3. But if I told you that if 6 by minus 2, means if you have to divide 6 divided by minus 2, then what will be its answer? So this is here negative sign. So here it is positive and this one is here answer negative will come here, right? If you have a negative in the numerator, it is in denominator. If you have a negative in numerator and denominator is positive, then also your answer will be negative, right? But what will happen if both will be positive? Both will be positive, then our answer will be positive. If both will be negative, if both will be negative, then what will be our answer? Our answer will be positive. Negative and negative will become positive. So your answer will be 2 here, like this. Just remember this one. Now come to our exercise question number first. Minus 30 divided by 10. So minus 30, write down it like this. Minus 30 divided by 10. Right? Write down it like this. First in your copy you have to write it that A, which is minus 30 divided by 10, right? Then after write down it like this, minus 30 divided by 10. Now 0 to 0 cancel off, 1 0, 10 30 means its answer will be 3, but here it is negative, so its answer will be minus 3, right? Just like this, its answer will be minus 10, right? You can solve it, it is very easy, division, right? Its answer will be, here it is minus will become plus. 36 divided by minus 9, right? See, 36 divided by minus will become plus, and 9 4s are 36. The answer will be 4, right? Here your answer will be minus 1 because it is plus and it is minus. So answer will be minus 1. Like this, you can solve the remaining. Its answer will be 0 divided by 12. Minus 12, so its answer will be 0, right? Whatever, if you divide 0 by any number, it is a 1000, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, whatever number, its answer will be 0, right? Remember this point. And here you can solve the remaining question here. This all are the easy question. Just follow the rule of minus and plus, right? If both the digit will be negative in numerator as well as denominator, then your answer will be positive, right? If both the digit will be positive in numerator as well as denominator, so your answer will be positive. If one will be negative and second will be positive, then your answer will be negative, right? Either it is in numerator or in denominator, your answer will be negative. Just remember this rule, just as a multiplication. Now come to the second question. Verify that A divided by B, A divided by in bracket B plus A is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. It is just like that we use the distributive property in a multiplication, which is A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus this plus into A into C, right? It is just like this. But this distributive property is not applicable in multiplication, so it will not be equal. We have to verify it by putting the value of A, B, C here. I am taking the second one. First one you can solve it, right? So B part here, which is A is equal to minus 10, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 1, right? Now take this one. So here A divided by in bracket B plus C is not equal to A divided by B and plus A divided by C. So here I am taking the left hand turn and then right hand side. If both will be equal, then we can say it is not. If both will not come equal, then we can say that it is verified. So left hand side, I am taking left hand side. Now put the value of left hand side. A is minus 10. So minus 10 divided by, in bracket, B. What is the value of B? 1 plus C. What is the value of C? 1. So 1 over 1, it will become 2. So minus 10 divided by 2. So minus 10 को 2 से divide करोगे क्या आएगा? It will come. What it will come? It will minus 5. Now take a right hand side. Either you can write here or you can write in below your copy, right? I am writing here because I have a space. Now a value of A is minus 10 divided by 1 plus value of A is minus 10 divided by C. C is 1. 10 divided by 1. If we divide any number by 1, it will be remain same, right? Remember this point. If we divide any number by 1, then it will remain same. So minus 10 plus minus will be minus. Minus 10 minus minus will become plus. So 10 or 10 will be 20, but sign will be negative, right? So here you can say that left hand side is not equal to right hand side, because it is minus 5, it is minus 12, so it's verified, right? Now next, these are the simple filling the blanks here, right? So A is 369 divided by some values, some numbers, some integers, so it will come 369. So what is this number, right? When we divide 369 by some number, it will come 369. What will be number? 1. When you divide by 1, so it will come same, right? So this is your answer. Now second one, देख लो थोड़ा सा. Minus 75 divided by, so let us write divided by like this. Minus 75 divided by some number, so it will come minus 1. Here we need a minus, and it is minus already here. If we take here negative value, then this will become positive. So we need a negative, and negative minus is already here, so we have to take here positive number, right? 1 we need, so just divide it by 75, so it will come minus 1, right? Minus 75. Now what will be here? Here just like this, it is minus 206, and answer will be 1, right? So it is positive here, and this number is negative, so we have to take here negative number, so that negative will become positive, right? So negative 206 minus 206 will be our answer here, right? So minus 206 will be our answer. Like this you can fill in the blanks, remaining one here, right? If you want to see this one, then see here that there is some number in numerator to which we divide by 4, so its answer will come minus 3, right? Minus 3. So you can see here 4 and this is minus 3. So what will be the number here? What will be the number here, right? Number will be, you can think it, right? Or either you can multiply this here like this, that you can consider x, right? When we divide x by 4, which is equal to minus 3, right? So now try divide this, transfer this into this side, so minus 3 into 4, it will become minus 12, right? So value of x is minus 12, means your answer is minus 12. Or either it is the filling the blank, that is why I am explaining it directly, right? Otherwise this is the procedure to solve it, right? But it is the filling the blank, that is why I am explaining it directly, and you can solve it. These are all very easy, right? So 12 divided, when we divide minus 12 by 4, then it will come minus 3, because we need a minus 1 sign here, so we have to take minus here, right? So your answer will be minus 12, right? Like this. Now come to the next question, number 4. Write the 5 pair of integers AB such that A divided by B will become -3, right? Such pair is 6 and 2. One pair is 6 and 2, 6 and -2, right? तो 6 को अपन -2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो -3 आएगा. लाइक दिस सेकेंड पेयर अपन क्या ले सकते हैं? सेकेंड पेयर, so आंसर -3 आना चाहिए, right? -3, right? So if we divide 9 by -3, then it will come 9 divided by -3, then it will come what? -3, right? So one pair is 9 minus 3. Second pair is -12 divided by 4. It will also come -3, right? You have to think about this. -12 and 4. Either you can do -12 by 4 or 12 by -4. Whatever, it will be same, right? 16 by -3, -6, 18 by -6. It will also come -3. 18 by -6. 27 by 9. But one digit should be negative, right? So either you can take negative this one or this one. So -27 divided and 9. These are the 4. 1 you have to write one digit more, right? Because we have to write here 5 pair and these are the 4 pair only, right? So one more pair you have to think and you have to write the answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree above the zero, right? 0 से 10 डिग्री ज्यादा है. 12 noon मतलब होता है आपका आफ्टरनून, दिन के 12 बजे, राइट? सो द टेम्परेचर एट 12 noon was 10 डिग्री अबव द जीरो. 0 से 10 डिग्री अबव मीन्स +10, +10 डिग्री, राइट? 12 बजे दिन के कितना टेम्परेचर है? 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degree per hour, means 2 degree centigrade per hour, means 1 घंटे में ये 2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड कम हो जा रहा है. At what time would the temperature be at degree centigrade below 0? 8 degree centigrade below 0 means if you draw here a number line, then it is your 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, right? So 10 will come here, right? So positive above 10, 0 से 10 degree above 0 means 0 से above 10 degree, and this will become here -1, -2, -3 like this. Here -8 will come. So it is showing below 0 -8. 0 से नीचे कितना है? 8 चला गया, means it is -8. So we have to find at what time the temperature be 8 degree, -8 degree centigrade. Here it is 8 is written here, but this word is saying below 0. ये बताता है अपने को कि -8 है, ना कि 8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. What would be the temperature at a midnight? Midnight means रात के 12 बजे क्या टेम्परेचर? Now, so this is our question. I think that you have understand question and its answer. We have to write its answer, right? So solution of this question, you can write here temperature at 12 noon was 10 degree centigrade above 0. 10 degree centigrade above 0. That is means plus 10 degree centigrade, right? Plus 10 degree centigrade. And the rate of discharge in a temperature per hour, rate of decreases in temperature per hour आवर इज इक्वल टू 2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, राइट। 1 आवर में कितना हो रहा है? 1 आवर 2 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। एंड नंबर ऑफ आवर फ्रॉम 12 नून टू मिडनाइट, 12 नून से मिडनाइट तक कितने घंटे होते हैं? 12। सो नंबर ऑफ आवर्स फ्रॉम फ्रॉम 12 noon to midnight, which is equal to दिन में 12 बजे से रात के 12 बजे तक 12 आवर, राइट। कितने घंटे होते हैं? 12। नाउ सो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर इन 12 आवर। फर्स्ट लेट अस फाइंड द चेंज इन टेम्परेचर इन 12 आवर। 12 आवर में कितना टेम्परेचर चेंज आएगा? सो चेंज in temperature in this 12 hour, which is equal to right now दिन में कितना है? प्लस 10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, राइट। एंड चेंज इन टेम्परेचर इन 12 आवर, सॉरी चेंज इन टेम्परेचर इन 12 आवर। सो 1 आवर में कितना चेंज हो रहा है? 2 डिग्री। 1 आवर द रेट ऑफ टेम्परेचर पर आवर, 1 आवर में 2 डिग्री। सो 12 आवर में कितना हो जाएगा? 12 इंटू 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, राइट। नाउ टेम्परेचर एट मिडनाइट, टेम्परेचर एट मिडनाइट यू कैन राइट इट इन नेगेटिव। वाई? बिकॉज इट इज डिक्रीजिंग। आप इसको नेगेटिव लिख सकते हो क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है? डिक्रीज हो रहा है, राइट। टेम्परेचर एट मिडनाइट, मिडनाइट पे टेम्परेचर क्या होगा? +10 प्लस -24. Why plus? Because we are adding this 20. What will be temperature at midnight? This is the +10 degree right now. Then after plus means if it is negative, so it will, we have written it negative here, but we have to add it. So the total will be -14. This when we add this plus minus will become -10 minus 24 will be -14 degree centigrade. Right? ये कितना आ जाएगा? -14 degree centigrade. Hence the required temperature at midnight, means जो midnight का जो temperature था वो अपन ने निकाल लिया. So you can write here, hence the required temperature at midnight, which is equal to -14 degree centigrade, right? -14 degree centigrade. Now it is not our question over here. We have to find one more. What would be the temperature at 8 degree below to 0, right? What will be the time? Time निकालना आप लोग जब 8 degree below चला जाएगा. So difference in temperature between, after that write down difference in temperature right? Difference in temperature between +10 degree centigrade and -8 degree centigrade. तो इनके बीच का डिफरेंस कितना, राइट? वंस वी हैव फाइंड द डिफरेंस, एक बार अपन अगर डिफरेंस निकाल लें कि इतने डिग्री का डिफरेंस है तो उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दें, क्योंकि 2 डिग्री पर आवर में चेंज हो रहा है, तो अपने को पता चल जाएगा इतना टाइम इसको डिक्रीज होने में लगेगा, राइट? सो +10 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड एंड वी आर फाइंडिंग हियर डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस मीन्स इनके बीच का अंतर. सो माइनस, वी हैव टू टेक हियर -8 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. दिस इज द माइनस, राइट? ये वाला माइनस कौन सा? -8 तक पहुंचते हैं, और ये माइनस कौन सा? डिफरेंस के कारण, राइट? वी आर फाइंडिंग हियर डिफरेंस. सो टोटल डिफरेंस इज हियर 10 और ये हो जाएगा प्लस 8 मीन्स 18 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड इज टोटल डिफरेंस हियर. सो नंबर ऑफ आवर रिक्वायर्ड, कितने घंटे लगेंगे इसको 18 डिग्री डिक्रीज होने में. number of hours required, which is equal to 18 degree centigrade to 2 degree centigrade, right? And this is equal to 9 hour. इस कितना टाइम लग रहा है 9 hours to decrease at minus 8 degree centigrade, right? So 9 hour कितने बजे, सुबह दिन में 12 बजे से 9 hour कहाँ होंगे, और दिन में 12 बजे के बाद अपन 9 hours ऐड करें तो कितने बज जाएंगे. टाइम आफ्टर 9 hours from 12 noon, राइट? क्योंकि अपन ने जो डिफरेंस देखा वो कब से देखा है 12 noon से, राइट? सो 12 noon, दिन में 12 बजे को अपन 9 घंटे ऐड कर 9 hours ऐड करेंगे तो हो जाएंगे 9 PM, राइट? रात में कितने बज जाएंगे इसको 9 बज जाएंगे -8 डिग्री तक पहुंचने के लिए. दिस इज अवर आंसर. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in case in a class test +3 marks are given for every correct answer, -2 marks are given for every incorrect answer, no marks for not attempting any question. This is same as that we have done in exercise 1.3. So I think that you can do it, but let me solve it once. राधिका scored 20 marks. राधिका ने कितने स्कोर किए 20 marks. If she has got 20 correct answer, how many questions she have attempted incorrectly? 12 marks उसको मिले हैं, right? 20 marks उसको मिले हैं, उसमें से 12 answers she has corrected, right? Then after, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly, right? We have to find this. And second one is, मोहिनी scores 5 marks. मोहिनी कितने स्कोर किए 5 marks, right? मोहिनी scores 5 marks. In this case, though she got 7 correct answer, how many questions she has attempted incorrectly, right? अगर इसके 5 मार्क्स मिले हैं और 7 क्वेश्चन इसने अटेम्प्ट किया है तो कितने क्वेश्चन इसने इनकरेक्ट किए. वहीं राधिका के अगर 12 मार्क्स उसने स्कोर किए और 20 मार्क्स उसने स्कोर किए और 12 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट है तो कितने क्वेश्चन इनकरेक्ट है. वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस, राइट? एंड एक क्वेश्चन करेक्ट होने के 3 मार्क्स है और एक क्वेश्चन -2 marks are given for every incorrect marks. तो हर एक क्वेश्चन गलत होने पे -2 marks रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. If you have scored 50 marks and you have done 3 incorrect question, so -2 के हिसाब से -2 into 6, right? ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा, रिड्यूस हो जाएगा इसमें से. -2 into 6 means -2 into 6, which is 12 marks, right? Like this. So here this is our question. I think that you have understand the question. What is question want to say? So let us solve this. First, marks obtained by Radhika for 12 correct answer. She has got a 12 correct answer. So 12 करेक्ट आंसर के लिए कितने मार्क्स उसको मिले होंगे. सो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय राधिका Radhika for 12 correct answers. 12 correct आंसर्स, राइट। 12 करेक्ट आंसर्स के लिए इसको कितने मार्क्स मिले होंगे? एक क्वेश्चन करेक्ट के लिए +3 मार्क्स है, तो +3 इंटू 12 करेक्ट किए तो 12 विच इज इक्वल टू 36 मार्क्स, राइट। बट ही गॉट ओनली 20 मार्क्स, शी गॉट ओनली 20 मार्क्स, राधिका स्कोर्ड ओनली 20 मार्क्स। जो रिड्यूस हुआ है वो किसके कारण हुआ होगा? नेगेटिव मार्किंग के कारण, राइट। Just because of negative marking. Then total marks obtained by Radhika which is 20. Total marks कितने? 20, राइट। मार्क्स ऑब्टेन बाय द राधिका फॉर इनकरेक्ट आंसर। अब यहां से इनकरेक्ट आंसर के लिए निकाल लो, उसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दो, सो दैट यू विल गेट द योर नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन, राइट। सो मार्क्स ऑब्टेन बाय राधिका for incorrect answer which is equal to 20 minus 36, right? So 20 minus 36 which is equal to minus 16, राइट, -16। सो -16 मार्क्स मिले हैं राधिका को इनकरेक्ट आंसर्स की, राइट। सो नंबर ऑफ करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट आंसर्स, कितने नंबर ऑफ इनकरेक्ट आंसर हो जाएंगे? इसको -1 इनकरेक्ट मार्क्स, 1 इनकरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस के लिए कितने हैं? -2, से इसको -2 से डिवाइड कर दो, सो यू विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ इनकरेक्ट आंसर, राइट। नंबर ऑफ incorrect answer which is equal to -16 divided by -2, right? When you divide -16 -2, minus will become plus, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, so it will come 8, right? So here you can write the incorrect answer is 8, right? Number of incorrect answer is 8. Number of incorrect answer is 8. This is just for the Radhika, and same step we have to follow. Same steps we have to follow for Mohini, right? Mohini scored -5 marks, right? And number of correct answer 7 correct answer थे, right? So let me rough only with this data which we can now. So marks obtained by Mohini. Mohini for 7 करेक्ट आंसर कितने इसके 7, 1 के लिए +3 है, 7 के लिए कितने हो जाएंगे +21, राइट। टोटल मार्क्स ऑब्टेन बाय मोहिनी, यहाँ पे लिख लो, विच इज इक्वल टू -5। कितना टोटल मार्क्स -5। सो मार्क्स ऑब्टेन बाय मोहिनी for correct answer, मोहिनी फॉर इनकरेक्ट आंसर, इनकरेक्ट आंसर के लिए कितने मार्क्स मिले होंगे उसको -5 -21, राइट। -5 -21, why? Because why -5 she got, right, she scored -5 marks, बट उसने जो करेक्ट किया था उसका कितना था 21 था। तो 21 से भी ज्यादा उसको क्या होंगे माइनस में मार्क्स मिलेंगे, तभी तो उसके -5 मार्क्स आए हैं। सो वी हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट दिस, राइट। सो इट विल बिकम 26, राइट, -26। नंबर ऑफ इनकरेक्ट आंसर कैसे निकालोगे, -26 को -2 से डिवाइड कर दो, राइट। जस्ट -26 डिवाइडेड बाय -2, सो माइनस माइनस विल बिकम प्लस, राइट। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2 एंड 2 3 जा 13 क्वेश्चन, 13 आंसर। नंबर ऑफ इनकरेक्ट आंसर इज 13, राइट, 1 3। इसने 13 क्वेश्चंस के क्या किए, इनकरेक्ट आंसर दिए मोहिनी ने, right? So 13 answers she gives incorrectly, right? So now I think that you got this, and we do not have to solve this one here, and other all we have completed. So that's all from this. Right, here we have completed this exercise as well as our chapter, and I told you that we do not have to solve this one here, and you can see there is no remaining question, right? So read this one once, what we have discussed in this chapter, and here